In this video, I'm going to show you how to access eBooks while you're off campus. So there are two ways to do this, but I'm going to show you how to get there through our online library catalog. So I'm going to click on this link, and I'm going to click on off-campus access. Here we go. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. We have 3 ebook collections. They're all EBSCOhost databases. We have the academic collection, we have the religion collection, and we have the original ebook collection. I'm going to click on the academic ebook collection. And when you do this, it's going to ask you to log in to the proxy server with your FC username and password. If you'd like to watch a video on doing that, there is one on our distance education LibGuide page. But I've already logged in while I was doing another video, so it's just taking me straight here. So here I am in the ebook academic collection. I can search for ebooks on pretty much any subject that I'm interested in. I am going to say, I'm going to look for one on social psychology. And hit enter. And I've got 1,500 texts on social psychology right here, full text for me to use in my papers. If that's too many, which 1,500 books is a lot, you can limit those using the options on the left-hand side of the screen. So I could look for social psychology books that have been published in the last 5 years. So I'm going to change this to 2014 and hit enter. Now I have 417 books, all published within the last 5 years. If that's still too many, I can come down here to subject and then choose show more. That's going to subdivide these into various categories. So what I actually want to write about is bullying. So I'm going to click on that and update. And now I have 5 books, all specifically about bullying. Actually, it looks like all of these are about cyberbullying, so that's interesting. I can click on any one of those books to go into the record. It will show me a description. It will show me the subjects that the book's about. I can come over here to the left and click on the table of contents to see the different chapters that are in the book, and I can go to any one of those just by clicking on it. And if I decide to use this book for my paper, I can click on the Cite button over here, and I can choose the citation format that's required for my paper. So maybe I'm doing a paper that's in APA style. I can copy and paste this into my reference list. If you do that, you should always double check that it matches the format that's required by your professor. This is pretty accurate, but not always 100% accurate. You can email a link to the book to yourself for later here. You can also change the citation format here and make notes for yourself for why you thought it was a useful thing. One other helpful thing to know is you can switch between databases. So if I come back up here to the top and click on Choose Databases, it's going to bring up a list of all of our EBSCO databases, but I can switch between the academic collection and the ebook collection. And now here I am in a different database. You can actually search all 3 ebook databases at the same time. So let's try that. I'm going to use bullying as my search term and click search. So I have 541 books across all 3 databases that have to do with this topic. I hope this has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. You can do that from our library catalog. If you scroll to the top, you can click this Email a Librarian link, and you can send an email to all library staff, and we will get back to you as quickly as we possibly can. Hope that helps. Thanks.